Hi kids, it's your first science class and today we will start first unit, the human body. And the topic is parts of body. Now let's start the lecture. Eye. Eye. What is in the picture? Eye. Eye. We have two eyes. Touch your eyes. Nose. Nose. We have one nose. Touch your nose. Ear. Ear. We have two ears. Touch your ears. Head. Head. Touch your head. Hand. Hand. We have two hands. Clap your hands. Fingers. Fingers. Count your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 fingers. Leg. Leg. We have two legs. Foot. Foot. We have 2 feet. Touch your feet. Tummy. Tummy. Touch your tummy. Knee. Knee. We have 2 knees. Pat your knees. Mouth. Mouth. We use our mouth to eat and speak. Teeth. Teeth. Tongue. Tongue. Now we will learn about 5 senses: sense of sight, sense of touch, sense of smell, sense of taste, and sense of hearing. We can see with our eyes. We can hear with our ears. We can touch with our hands. We can smell with our nose. We can taste with our tongue. You will do page number 2 and 3 in science workbook. Now let's come towards the written work. First of all, you have to draw a marginal line, then you will write date OCW, which means online class work and science, on the top. Then you will mention the unit, that is the human body. Then you will write question, name and draw 5 parts of the body. We have discussed parts of the body. Now you will write only 5 parts of the body and you will also draw their pictures.